How to deal with interruptions. Welcome to this video tutorial. Have you been interrupted when you've spoken before? I believe a lot of us have. I know I certainly have, and it doesn't feel great. Now, one definition of a conversation is a series of interruptions between one or more people. It's an energy exchange, if you like, a bit of back and forth. However, I do believe that we know, because we actually feel it, when it's imbalanced and somebody keeps interrupting you. And as I said, it doesn't feel great. So the question becomes, what can we do about it? I think there are a couple of options. The first option, if somebody interrupts you, is to keep on talking. Now, this may feel quite challenging. It may feel like a bit of a battle. However, they may get the message and stop. Or, of course, they may not, and the only way to know is to try it out. Second of all is, if they interrupt you, you can stop talking, and then at some point you need to interject, you need to interrupt them and say something like, as I was saying before I was interrupted, so that they get the point, and maybe they won't interrupt you again. I think one of the important things is not to ask for permission to speak because they interrupted you. Because if you say something like, and if I may continue, you're giving them the power. I think adopt that yourself, that you do have the power and you have the right to then carry on with your point. I love to hear how you deal with it and how you get on with any interruptions. Thanks very much.